Thank you for being a part of this special community, as we all learn to bring more compassion and peace for ourselves and to the world. Our hope is that you will find great value in the material that we've put together for you. To deepen your practice even more, please visit meditationlifeskills.com.
Meditation is an integral component of Zen habits. It is a long-established practice that helps you calm your mind, relax your body, and focuses on relaxation and stress relief. At its deepest level, meditation serves a spiritual purpose. Zen meditation centers on a type of sitting meditation called zazen. The practice is all about sitting upright and following breath. Other types of meditation work around ideas of mental concentration on something. Still others consider that meditation involves imagining a thing that gives you peace or satisfaction. In either scenario, the goal is to slow things down, especially the mind, and stop its incessant activity. While Zen monks have known it for years, now science also backs up meditation as one of the most effective ways of dealing with stress. Although there are other stress reduction techniques present, this one by far is the most useful. You can meditate for a number of different reasons. You can do so to develop concentration, clarity, or even emotional positivity. Depending on the type of meditation practice you follow, you can even learn the habits and patterns of your mind. Most meditative states have a few basic commons. For instance, to enter a state of meditation, you will need to get into a relaxing position. Choose a position that makes you feel comfortable, but not too comfortable, for you need to practice your focus. You can meditate sitting, standing, kneeling, or even lying down. Certain forms of meditation will also let you sit in a chair and meditate. Choose a posture that comes naturally to you. The key is to keep your back straight. Entering a meditative state takes a few minutes. As you do this, keep your eyes closed and monitor your breathing. Breathing in and out cuts out distractions and lowers the heart rate. Although there are many types of meditation, the focus here is on the main three types, which are yoga, Qigong, and guided visualization. Let's have a look at each of these in detail. Yoga. Yoga is a popular meditation technique that is practiced widely and is also considered a popular form of gentle exercises. Besides helping gain flexibility, strength, balance, and even losing weight, yoga provides peace to the mind. Most yoga poses require intent concentration, which itself has a calming effect on the mind. This focus also helps reduce stress, as your mind concentrates on your pose and not anything else. As you maintain your pose, you also learn to control your breath, which has a calming effect on the mind and body. Although yoga isn't the complete cure for every ailment, it can benefit the human body in many ways. Yoga is the more cost-effective therapy for a better and happier life. Some of the physical benefits of yoga include improved stamina, improved flexibility, improved balance, increased strength. The mental benefits that yoga provides includes improved sleep, reduced stress, body awareness. On a spiritual level, yoga aims to help you achieve a complete state of being. Advanced yogis can develop inner strength that gives them complete control over their emotions and desires. On the inside, it enables them to resist temptations and worldly pleasures. If you reach an advanced level, you may also be able to learn to increase your self-esteem by practicing yoga. Removed from the worries of the world, yogis can experience the truth better and start to value themselves more. Qigong. The second type of meditation technique is Qigong. This method helps improve posture and allows you to relax with ease. It is one of the oldest forms of meditation practiced by the Chinese. Qigong consists of internal and external movements. This technique primarily involves the use of breath to circulate energy around the body. There are a few different types categorized as moving, still, and sitting meditation. Moving meditation with Qigong involves the fluctuation of energy through postures, movements, breathing patterns, and transitions. Postures that are held for long periods of time fall under still meditation, while sitting meditation focuses more on the breath, body, and mind. The movement that is done in Qigong promotes natural energy. One branch of Qigong, known as medical Qigong, is part of traditional Chinese medicine. It's used to promote self-healing, disease prevention, and addresses illnesses. The second, known as martial Qigong, emphasizes physical skill. This type lets practitioners demonstrate physical feats like breaking bricks and bending steel wires. The third type, known as spiritual Qigong, uses meditation practices and prayers to pursue enlightenment. When you use it for meditative purposes, Qigong can help your body establish a relationship with the soul and mind. The method allows you to develop deeper spiritual development, body confidence, and attention span. Yoga and Qigong are similar in quite a few ways, as both contribute towards improved mental health. Guided visualization. Guided visualization is a type of relaxation technique that involves creating an image of a peaceful setting in the mind. This method is usually practiced in isolation, as it requires a fair bit of focus and concentration. You are encouraged to create a detailed mental image of a serene and attractive setting. The peaceful visual image is used to associate with the sensation of relaxation to calm the mind and body. Guided visualization is also practiced with physical techniques such as a massage or progressive muscle relaxation. The aim is to make sure that the mind enters a state of peace. The imagery used is used as a distraction tool to ward the mind away from things that may be stressing you. You may receive verbal or nonverbal instructions to let your mind relax. Practicing this method requires both concentration and imagination. It cannot be practiced in noisy environments, as interruptions aren't needed. This method plays a huge role in improving concentration abilities, as focus is what is required. It also impacts cognitive abilities and improves memory power. Guided visualization will require you to think better without a clogged mind. The technique will improve your creativity and promote peaceful thinking. When unwanted thoughts disturb your thinking process, guided visualization can help you get rid of them. People seek this method because it allows them to relax. Finding peace can be a difficult thing, but creating it on your own is easy. With guided visualization, you can promote inner peace by building a peaceful environment. Meditation is the ultimate Zen habit to incorporate in your day. It might seem complicated, but once practiced, can turn your life around.
To deepen your practice even more, please visit meditationlifeskills.com.